While they hit this house, every promise in the book is mine. Every chapter, verse and line. Yes, for the promise of God is yes and amen. So be it, and it is so. So in spite of how it looks like, God is up to something. God knows how to put you out on display. And when he puts you out there, the enemy thinks that he got the upper hand. But all God is doing is setting you up. Because when you get ready to throw an arrow, you got to put it in a bow and pull it backwards. Sometimes you got to go back and then forward. Because when you let the bow go, the arrow is going further. God said, I put you in an arrow and had to pull you back. But in 2014, I'm going to let it go and get ready to do more with less. Yes, yeah. Somebody ought to shout that this is my year. It's my season. And I'm going to get every promise that belongs to me. Yeah, yeah. I dare you to laugh at hell. I dare you to just laugh at hell. Because hell think you won. Hell think you won. But God's getting ready. God's getting ready to shoot you back where you belong. Yes. Yeah. Elijah had to let out. He had to dismiss everybody that didn't believe the way he believed. Yes. Hallelujah. It's all right for attachments to fall off. You want to be connected and not just attached. Yes. Ask somebody, are you connected or are you attached? In other words, when the hard trials come, those that are attached, they fall off. When you are attached, when money problems come your way, the attachments begin to walk away. But when you're connected, I said when you're connected, you go through the good, the bad, and the ugly. Because you understand that the sufferings of this present time is not worthy to be compared with the glory that shall be revealed in us. Tell somebody the latter shall be greater than the former. Yes. Yeah. I gotta get out of here. But I come to tell you, Collins, that it might look like there's a dead promise, but there's a prophet that has been sent, and God is getting ready to cause a public resurrection, that I may know him in the power of his suffering and in the fellowship of his suffering. Yes, this is the hour that we are getting ready to see a greater than Pentecost, a greater than Azusa Street, a greater than Catherine Cooley. He said, greater works shall we do because I go to our Father. I wonder if there is anybody that's been through enough and you came out with an anointing and you are anointed to the bones. Yeah, yeah, that everything that touched you, it brings life. Everything that comes your way, it might have been dead before, but when you step on the premises, it'll be dead no more. Yes, Elisha came in the room, and I'm getting ready to close. He looked at the boy, and he got on him. The Bible said he put eyes to his eyes, nose to his nose, mouth to his mouth. God is doing that to somebody today. Some things you've been through have knocked you out, and he want to resuscitate you. Yes, eyes to eyes, nose to nose, mouth to mouth. Get ready, because this is your season to resurrect, to get up and walk. Get up and be about ministry. Get up and get that business going. Get up and write the book. Get up and be about your Father's business, because he has need